I just finished unboxing the Lelit Bianca. So, let me show you what's in the box. So inside the box, we have microfiber cloth, black, has the Lelit logo on it. And also comes with the plumbing kits as well. So you don't have to worry about buying it separately. Comes with plumbing kits. And also, I really appreciate they give you it's a draining hose too. Okay, they give you a draining hose, tray, and also, so this is like the legit 58 point, I believe this is 58.5 millimeter temper as well. So that's the real deal. Okay, beautiful temper. What else we got here? We have the power cord, water softener. Okay, water softener filter here as well. What else we got going on? We have the, oh man, I really appreciate that. Bottomless portafilter as well. Okay, instead of a single spouted, they give you the bottomless portafilter. Beautiful wooden. Okay, and then what else we got? We got the various filter baskets. Oh, here we go. So double spouted. Okay, looks really good. And then cleaning brush. We have the blind filter basket as well for the cleaning back flush. And then we have here, this is actually, they give you 2 spare steam wand tip as well. So Bianca comes with, they give you a couple of different options. So this one, I believe this is a 2-hole steam wand tip there. So this one is look like 3. Yeah, 3. I think it's look like more like 4. Okay. So they give you a spare one. So just play with both of them and see which one you like the best for your steam wand. Now everything is unboxed, but where's the water tank? Okay, unfortunately there's something we have to install the water tank separately. Okay, so this is the water tank from Lelit, and then so let me show you how to install the water tank. First, you are going to remove the tray on the top. Take the water tank, and then, as you can see, this screw here, that one goes into that hole on the top of the Lelit Bianca. So we're just gonna simply line in, so just like lined it, just like that, right there. Lock it in, and then you're going to use a screwdriver. Put it in here like so. Just screw it. That's it. So they are spring loaded. So you just do a couple turns, you should be fine. Okay. And make sure put it in. Maybe a couple screws, a couple turns should be fine. Now nice and tight there. So now we have the water tank is installed. Very nicely fit. So now everything is done except we need to connect the water line, and also we have to connect the jack as well. So since machine is empty right now, so I'm just gonna tilt it over. So so I'm gonna show you where we are going to plug in those 2 items. So water line goes here, okay, this spot here, and also jack goes here. Okay, jack goes here. I'm just gonna plug it in, and the water line I'm just gonna make it look nice at the moment. Get the water line, and then jack goes right there. Okay, just like so. Okay. I'm just gonna have my zip tie here. Just make sure I'm gonna be nice and everything tight. Okay, so now I put some waters in already. So now is moment of truth. Okay, let's take a look. No water leak there. Yep, everything's good. So let's check the pump. Okay. Okay, pump is strong. I can hear the noise there, and then open up the flow control valve. All right. Everything works great. I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing and also initial setup on Lelit Bianca. If you have any questions or comment, please let me know. And then I'm going to see you guys next time.